Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel and Facebook page. Today I will show how to replace the disk drive or RAM with the laptop model HP ProBook 440G3. First remove the battery and one scroll and open the back cover in the laptop. This is RAM slot and 2 option on this laptop and no scroll in sight. Selection area is hard drive and 4 scroll are marking. Now, we are replacement the RAM in the laptop. Carefully open it. Again add to the new RAM in one option in this laptop. Again carefully connect all step and back cover. If you are first visiting my YouTube channel, please subscribe and notify the bell icon click and see your next updated video. Now press the power button and check the laptop.